Do you have oversized breasts? If so, you are not alone. A lot of women have very large breasts, and that results in constant neck and back pain. Not just this, it can also be a really difficult task to find clothes that fit you. Here are some simple and easy tips to help you reduce your breast size without opting for surgery, which is outright painful and expensive. Number 1. Lose some weight. Breast tissue is composed of 90% fat. You must have noticed that your breasts increase in size with weight gain. Thus, you need to lose some weight if you want to reduce your breast size. It's important to reduce your overall body fat. This is because attempts to target one specific body part often results in failure. Number 2. Avoid unhealthy foods. You must avoid foods that contain a high amount of fats. Fast food and junk food should be off your list. It's also important to avoid foods that are rich in simple sugars and carbohydrates, since they can result in weight gain. You must also avoid broiler chicken, since it's injected with growth hormone that can increase your breast size. You must try to eat lots of green vegetables and lean protein. Drinking a lot of fluids is also important, but you must avoid soft drinks and those with artificial sweeteners in them. It's best to have low-calorie meals every 2 hours in order to keep your metabolism working at a great speed. Number 3. Exercise. Cardiovascular exercise along with a healthy diet can help you lose weight. You can also lift weights to tone your chest muscles that might sag as a result of weight loss. However, you must avoid developing these muscles too much, since they can make your chest appear bigger. Number 4. Use breast reduction pills. Such pills are a great way to reduce your breast size naturally and safely without undergoing a surgeon's knife and at a fraction of the cost. Breast reduction pills are made with ingredients like guggulsterone, theobromine cacao, chromium picolinate, green tea extract, etc. Such pills target fat cells in your mammary glands and reduce them both in size as well as number, so as to reduce your breast size naturally and safely. Such pills work slowly within your body. Though you can notice the initial effects with 2 to 3 weeks, you must have such pills for 5 to 6 months to get the best results. Top-of-the-line pills are safe and free of all kinds of negative side effects too. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.